Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google account instantly. So this tutorial is going to be very helpful. So if this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open the official Gmail app on your Android phone. So as I am using an Android phone right now, so I'm going to open the Gmail app on my phone. So if you already downloaded the app, then you can open it instantly. On the other hand, if you didn't download it, you have to download it from the Google Play Store. So here is the app. I'm going to open it and then you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to click on the top right corner of your screen. You will see the profile icon of your Gmail. So I'm going to choose the email that I wanna delete right now. So I'm choosing the profile icon and selecting the email right now. And after that, you have to click again on this profile icon and choose Manage your Google account. And here you will get an option Data and Privacy. Click on it. And if you scroll down a bit, you will get another option. And that is Delete your Google account. Probably you may see another option here, delete Google service. This isn't the exact option. You have to choose the second one, delete your Google account. So I'm choosing this option. And now Google is going to verify your identity. Normally provide your fingerprint or password here. And after that, if you scroll down a bit, normally you will see two checkboxes here. Normally check both of them. And then finally click on this delete account. And that's it. We have successfully deleted our Gmail account now. So that's all about today's video, how you can delete your Google account permanently. So thanks for watching. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.